Out from the shadows, I'm Naked Ninja with another video for you guys today. So this is just a quick video showing that I got the Shield Experience Upgrade 7.0 to bring it up to the Oreo cookie 8.0 for the Shield in today. So I'm going to show you a quick video showing you how long it takes in actual time, and go ahead and download it. As you can see up in the left hand side corner, there's the left top corner says Shield Experience. So all you got to do is just click on it. And I'm going to resume it because if for some reason it tried doing without me installing it. We'll see how long this takes. So just bear with me. Kind of excited. I just hope there's not going to be any issues after I upgrade my remotes, because after you do this, you're going to have to upgrade your remotes with downloads to get it straight and stuff like that. As you can see, it's going. We'll see how quick it takes. It's a pretty good one. It's a gig upgrade, so that's pretty decent. Sorry for the camera shaking here because I forgot my tripod at my other place. So, anywho, let's watch this happen. And of course, time for download is going to be according to what your setup is. I get a gig, so it's usually like 800 or so download, which is pretty darn good on speed wise. So we'll see what happens here, how quick it is. It's only been a minute and what, 40 seconds now. And then of course I think on top of that there's their server too, what it's pushing out to you guys and their speed. So we'll see. Well, like I was saying, I hope that it doesn't screw up my remotes. All the things I've seen, I just hope it doesn't, because I don't want to have issues. Almost there. So what I can see from the stills that I've seen on the internet and stuff like that, people have done this. Let's restart and install it. So it's that simplified setup like the 8.0. If you have a oh shoot, what the heck's it? I have one over there. It's like the, oh, darn it, what is it called? The Nexus player. There we go. I have a Nexus player still, which I got the 8.0 upgrade on that thing, shoot, like 6 months ago or so. So if it's anything like that, which it kind of looks like, it's going to be pretty easy to use. Just navigating and resetting everything's going to be kind of an issue. But I'm excited because this is bringing up the latest, of course, and we'll see from there, you know, how well it works and performs at the same time. Bear with me with the camera shaking, I apologize. Oh, that was a quick boot. All right. Oh, great. Well, look at that. I've already started problems. Yes, that is just perfect. The play surfaces doesn't work, and the remote's not working. Oh, there we go. It worked. Wow. Holy crap. Yes, I'm trying to close the app. Look at that error coming up on this thing. Oh man, I should have held out at the same time. This sucks. I'm just going to back arrow out of this. It's not letting me. There we go. So you can see, I got a lot of failures. This is awesome. And that's sarcasm if you haven't noticed. Oh man, look at this crap. What a joke, people. Oh my god. Let's download it again, I guess. I don't know what the hell happened here. Hopefully you guys don't deal with this crap at the same time. Oh my god. This is going to drive me bonkers. At least I'm showing you what happens if you do it. So hopefully this will prevent you from doing it. Now it's pulling in the back menu. Wow. This is awesome. I can't even get this thing to complete. It keeps loading up errors. This is awesome. I'm so happy right now. I'm going to stop this video at 10 minutes, so it better work. Let's try opening this up. See what the heck's going on here. You guys saw me download this thing. Oh my god. What a joke, people. I'm going to probably tell you not to... I'm going to probably tell you this, you know. I don't know, I might not even... I don't know, I'm going to try it again. I'm just not too happy about this. At least my remote's still working, but there's no reason why I should have started and restarted like this and then did what it did here. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, seriously. It's great. And there's no reason where you should have to deal with the upgrade that way through the Play Store. The Play Store should still keep working. See, every time I do that, it pauses. Looks like it's pausing. No, there it is. Yeah, it pauses the download. So the first time you guys saw it download, completely restart, and it just, you can see every time you do that, it pops up, it slows down the download. I'm not sure what the heck's going on here. But I'm not really impressed right now, and this is like the best box out there for Android TV, which I watch everything on, so it's going to be a major bummer. Alright, almost there. Come on. You can do it. Oh boy. Come on now. Come on. Oh, there we go. You got this. 7 minutes in right now, because I've had to do it twice now. Let's see what happens here. Alright, restart there. Let's do this. I'm restarting to install. Oh my god. Come on now. Seriously. There we go. Finally selected. I'll see what happens here.
Okay.
He's fine.
Why is he breathing heavy? Why is it outside? What are you recording?
Going at me at the door. You gotta do.
How is that important? No, I'm serious. How is this important? Alright, I'll do the dishes.
Alright, looks like it worked, people. There you have it before 10 minutes. What a pain in the ass. Good luck with your upgrade. As always, have a great day.